Welcome to Cook Up Style, where we explore sayings and proverbs from the Caribbean. Today we're going to look at a proverb, "And a one-time monkey one wife." So this is basically saying expect an ungrateful person to always need another favor. In this situation, the monkey stands for any foolish person or ungrateful person, and wife can stand for any situation that someone would want to a favor for. Say it could be a job, it could be your vote, it could be anything like that. So it's saying here, it's a reminder to set the proper expectation when dealing with someone that is not grateful. So let's look at an example of when we would drop this proverb. So I hinted earlier, this could be dropped in a situation where a politician neglects the community that elected them and then he's coming back for election. Or a person keeps asking his friend for help but never says thank you. So the relationship is one-sided. So they're basically taking advantage. So let's look at a scenario that illustrates this proverb. Vote for me again. I will fix everything this time. But the road still mash up same way. And a one-time monkey one wife. All right. Hope you enjoyed that little scenario. Again, if this stirs up memories or interest, be sure to like, subscribe, share, and we'll have more for you. Thank you and have a wonderful day.